In this video I'll show you how to stop Instagram suggested accounts. This should work on both Android and iOS. So if you want to stop Instagram suggested accounts, then make sure you watch this video till the end. You should be able to do that. Let's get started. First, open your browser, search for Instagram, and then click on your account on the bottom left. Click on Edit Profile. Scroll down till you see Similar Account Suggestions. Uncheck the box. Click Submit. And it says Profile Saved. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked. I would appreciate that. Thanks.
If this video helped you out, please consider subscribing to my channel to help me grow the largest how-to channel on YouTube. I appreciate it.